Alright, I just received the package of these motherfuckers. I unboxed it, but I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording. And then I reshot it and then found out I wasn't recording again. So this is my third time now shooting this. And I can see that YouTube's some hard work. Did I see what they're, fucking crybaby ass. It's like, I don't know to this shit. I'm talking about YouTube's hard. But no. Alright, yeah, we got the Saucony Courageous Olive Green. I think they're just regular green, but I mean, they're olive green, you know. Like, look at the suede on this shit. You can see my finger marks, like, and this way, and shit is so soft. Like, I wish you guys could just like touch the shit. You need to buy yourself a pair so you can touch the shit. But yeah, it's green, mostly green midsole, beige Saucony sign that goes all the way around the whole midsole. Has these plastic orange things on the back for orange highlight, you know, make that motherfucker pop. Got some a black and an orange stripe on the bottom of the sole of the shoe, right? Not the midsole. I don't know, fuck. But I'm just really upset that I really had to record this shit 3 times now. But anything for my YouTube subscribers, because I know you guys love me so much. But no, bright orange ass insole. And yeah, I'm about to put these motherfuckers on and about to see what I'm working with. My first pair of Sauconys. Oh yeah, had me a pretty decent shoe collection, but I sold all my fucking everything. Sold everything of mine. And I'm trying to re-up on some shoes, and I'm picking out different shoes that I've never really fucked with before. Trying to stay away from the Jordans, but I mean, the Jordans, who can really, like, fucking Jordans, come on. But yeah, just so stick with the ride. But I'm about to show you the on-feet of these. Alrighty. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of skeptical about getting these shoes, but like, look at these fucks. Look at this shit, like, I really fuck with this. Like, the way, I don't know, it's like what the fuck, yo? Like, I'm kind of surprised, like, I was really feeling kind of skeptical about this shit. But I'm so happy I got them. I'm so happy. Courageous Saucony Green. I think there's like a maroon, there's a gray, and then there's a blue version of these two. But Bullet said that he fucked with the maroon. So did Tony D Too Wild. But I mean, I don't know. I fuck with these heavy. I think they look kind of like no, I'm not even gonna say it. No. But they're dope as hell. Alright, that's all from your boy, but keep up with the channel. I don't know, please, but like this shit, subscribe. I'm gonna try to keep on bringing more content and try to get better and better at this shit. But Saucony Courageous Olive shoes. Fuck with them. Size 10.5. Play with me.
But if I just be a little patient, I'ma get that car I wanted. If I be a little bit patient, I'ma get that house I wanted. And I know it take a little time. You see, I made a oath to my family, and I ain't bragging, but that's why I don't broke nigga can't stand.